Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Adi from Basing Schools in Pranab Majalna Sumbutumbut. Well, I think I can say it's been a long time I didn't make a video. Well, I think my YouTube is getting worse. But please subscribe, like, comment, and share, right? Well, this morning I think I want to share the tips. I think how to improve our English. I think it's oh my god. I got a lot of questions about this one, how to improve our English, right? I think to improve our English is so easy, everyone. We just want to practice it. Once again, we want to practice it. So what will happen if we don't have any partners like that? Don't worry, you still have a mirror. You have a mirror, you can talk. But when you want to use mirror, I think don't talk. I mean, yeah, maybe when your family is like it's over there, right? They will think that, oh my God, like what happens to my son or my daughter? Maybe like this. So maybe it's just in your bedroom. You can practice with mirror. Yeah, we accept, right? But inshallah it works, inshallah, right? So the next, what will you do? Even when you are in front of your mirror, I think without a topic it's nothing. So what you need to think, beside mirror you have a topic to discuss. The example you talk about Mr. Sambo, right? You talk about that topic and you're trying to think about yeah, many things I think related to that topic. That's one example, right? One of the samples, I mean, because without a topic, I think we will get confused. I think what should I say? Even when you have to talk with yourself, you need a topic, I think. And inshallah, when you always practice it, you know, talk with yourself because you don't have any partners, inshallah it works. And it's better rather than when you have so many people, but yeah, let's say you have so many friends, so many people, but they do not want to practice with you. It's nothing. So the key, I think, to mastering this, I think we need to find a great, I can say, partner, I think, to practice it. When we don't have any great partner, you yourself will be a great partner, I think, to practice English. Because I know when you just watch YouTube, I mean, when you just watch something on video like that, maybe, and then you do not practice it, wow, it must be so hard. So, watching YouTube is good. The example you watch my video, right? It will be great, I think, for your listening skill. But it's not enough when you just listen to it and without practicing it. So I want to tell that you need also practice your English like that. All right? You need also to practice some English. I think just it. Amadi, don't forget like, comment, and share. Inshallah, right? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.